would you state your net worth to the public?
First, I think, Ken, the same way I've seen you are very good at doing homework. You know, you've done a really good job with homework. But I don't know why you failed on the one of looking for William Ruto's net worth.
I have.
That you have come to.
I have.
So, yes. Well, let me tell you the following. Number one, I am the only politician who, when I come to, in fact, I was expecting this question. Yeah, I'm the only politician who gets asked this question. No other politician is asked this question. That's number one. Number two, when I supported Raila Odinga, I was never asked about my net worth. When I supported Uhuru Kenyatta, I was never asked about my net worth.